In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a hyperlink in Smartsheet. Whether you're collaborating with team members, managing projects, or simply organizing your personal tasks, knowing how to add hyperlinks can enhance your productivity and help you navigate relevant resources with ease. So, let's dive right in and walk through the simple process of adding a hyperlink to any cell in your Smartsheet. First, you'll want to decide which cell in your Smartsheet will hold the hyperlink. Once you've identified the target cell, move your cursor over it and simply right-click. This action brings up a context menu populated with a range of options. From there, look for and select the option labeled Hyperlink. This selection is your gateway to linking directly from your Smartsheet to external websites or to other Smartsheet components. Upon selecting Hyperlink, a dialog box will pop up. This is where the real magic happens. You'll notice several options, each giving you the flexibility to choose where your hyperlink will direct users. If your goal is to connect to an external website, you will select the option to Link to URL. This choice allows you to connect your Smartsheet to any online resource, tool, or page you may need to access directly. Alternatively, if your intent is to link internally within Smartsheet, perhaps to another sheet, a report, or different Smartsheet assets, you'll opt for the Link to another Smartsheet option. This can be particularly useful for managing complex projects that span multiple sheets or reports, ensuring instant navigation between related resources. After you've chosen either an external link or an internal Smartsheet link, it's time to specify the destination. If linking externally, carefully type or paste the full URL into the field provided, making sure there are no typos, as accurate links are crucial to avoid errors when accessing the web page. For internal links within Smartsheet, you'll need to select the desired sheet or report from a drop-down menu or prompt. Once you've input the necessary details, the final step is straightforward. Click OK or Save. This action finalizes the hyperlink creation, embedding it into your chosen cell. And just like that, your Smartsheet now has a doorway leading directly to your specified destination, whether that's a helpful web page or another significant section of your Smartsheet portfolio. By learning how to add hyperlinks in Smartsheet, you've equipped yourself with a simple yet powerful tool for streamlining your workflow. Don't forget to test the link by clicking it to ensure it directs you to the right location. And if you ever need to edit or change the link, simply repeat the steps to update it effortlessly. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.